So lots and lots of activity taking place in the international football transfer market. EPL champions Liverpool have been doing a lot of business and attracting the commensurate attention. Everybody start call Liverpool favorite already. But let me say this again. Uno hop off a Liverpool Fender. We won the league on a canter last season after Manchester City dropping a hole, and Arsenal and Chelsea and especially Manchester United were worthless. And by all this activity in this current off season, Liverpool is basically blowing up the winning team, losing pieces and adding pieces, with some players set to play in England for the very first time. We have no idea how this new team is gonna gel together. So like it was last season, uno keep uno favorite stag, give it to Manchester City and Arsenal, and kindly leave Liverpool in our zone. We'll never walk alone.